Good evening. So today in the forex market using AI. So we are using ChatGPT, Grok, and Claude today. But last time that we did our live trading on GPUSD. So let's see what happened during the week on GPUSD. So last weekend I during the weekend I backtest on live and we check some crypto pairs also, some cryptocurrency pairs also. So this is how the trade went during the week. Yes, I realized that the market will sell from here down to this point. So and the market expect the whole setup. Yes, I think it's like 30 pips profit from the entering. Yes, 37 pips profit from the entering. So I think the trade went well. Yes, the trade went well. To this point to continue the uptrend, bullish trend. Yeah. I already have the setup already here. So the market after this range, market might drop here, then continue the bullish trend, which is buy. So let's check some crypto price and that's all before we go into project. The week between Monday, between Sunday to today, a lot has happened. A lot has happened in the crypto market. So right now, I think Bitcoin is at, let's check, everywhere red. Bitcoin is at 68,739 dollars. I think that is like about 3% down in the last 24 hours. As all know now, it's always ranked number one. So Bitcoin is now like 3% within the last 24 hours. Yes. The whole market cap of Bitcoin is like 1.3 trillion. In the market of 3.3 trillion market cap, Bitcoin is holding like 1.3 million market cap. Wow, that's massive, baby. So let's check. Solana. As you all know, Solana. Solana. Yo, Solana is ranking at top 7 in the crypto market, right? Top 7. Yeah, and I think Solana is trading at 80 something dollar right now. Network is bad. Hold on. The network is bad. Very, very bad. The network is bad. So can you guys hear me? So let's check Solana before we go into the main work for today. Solana. As you all know, I'm rooting for Solana big time. Yeah, right now Solana is trading at 82.77 dollar. Like The last 24 hours, Solana has dropped like 5.2%. Yes, Solana has dropped in 5.2%, which is not too really bad for Solana. Yeah. As well, no, Solana is one of the fastest network on chain right now. Yes, Solana is one of the fastest network on chain right now. So let's take just one more topic, BNB. I think I saw BNB somewhere. BNB. Yo, this is something. BNB is trading at $616. $616. Wow, which is not too bad. Yes, not too bad. Yeah, it's not that too deep. It's not that too deep. It just dropped about like 3%. Let's say 4% in the last 24 hours. So today we'll be trading the forex market with AI. So I have some particular AI that we are using. So first we are using ChatGPT, we are using Grok, and we are using Claude. So these are the three apps we are using. So we are starting from ChatGPT. So we tell ChatGPT to analyze the forex market for us. So we are trading good. Yeah, we are trading good. So we ask ChatGPT to analyze the market and tell us where to buy and where to sell. Exactly what we do. The proper market analysis. So now let's dive in. So let's go. Oh, let me share my screen. I forgot. Remove. Stop sharing. Share screen. Let's share the screen. Let's share the chat screen. Let's share the chat screen. Boom. Open. Close. Open. Yeah, let's go. We are trading good, not GPSD. Yes, because if we trade GPSD, this is already 9 p.m. GPUSD might not move from now till like 8 a.m. in the morning. So we are trading good. Let's check good. XAUS. I think this is good. No, very good. We are trading good. Yeah, find it. Boom. Easy. The first thing is that last week I analyzed this market, but I don't know why this market refused to tap on my entry point. Yeah, because I also trade candle formation. So some people just trade only the touch. If this can touch this entry, they will enter direct. But me, I trade candle formation. So with this candle, timber, bullish timber, double bullish timber means this market is going up, automatically is going up. So imagine I have these two candle on this entry point. What am I waiting for? Not better low size. Buy. No time. No time to check time. No time to waste. So let's go. We are taking a snapshot of this web page. Oh, let me clear the chat first. I'll clear the chat. Put it on like 3 hours time frame. 3 hours time frame. Yeah, I think that is fine like this. Yeah, this is fine like this. So I'm coming. I'm trying to get the full snapshot of the good market analysis, like the whole chart. So we can start with chat GPT. So I'm taking a snapshot from 1 hour time frame on XAUSD. So I'm taking a snapshot here. Now I need to open my ChatGPT. Yes, I've opened my ChatGPT. Now I will send the image to ChatGPT to analyze the market for us. Just wait and see. Well, I'm trying this for the first time. So let's go. Now, how do I write the whole thing? Hey Buddy, yeah, let's say use Buddy. Hey Buddy, please, I want you to analyze the chart in the above image and tell me if I'm to buy now or sell. Let's go. I just can check it out. So waiting for ChatGPT to reply. You see, that is a good chat. So waiting for ChatGPT to reply. So firstly, ChatGPT said what the chat is showing, like what the image I sent to the app is showing is that on 1 hour time frame, I sent him or send the device a chart analysis that a like good chart analysis. What the chart is showing XAUSDC 1 hour time frame based on market structure overall trend, strong uptrend. Now ChatGPT is telling us that the market is on uptrend. Let's confirm 1 hour time frame. Let's confirm this 1 hour time frame. ChatGPT said the market is wait, I'm coming. ChatGPT said the market is uptrend overall. Let's check that. Let's confirm that. So now we have to do our trend line. Let's see what is going to happen here. ChatGPT said overall uptrend with 4 hours time frame. We need to confirm the overall trend. If truly ChatGPT is right, if I'm to say overall, I'm not using any of my technical analysis idea here, so I'm following what ChatGPT is telling us. Let's say ChatGPT 1 hour time frame said uptrend, which is probably yes. Overall, yes. Good overall is uptrend, and from here, like this is another signs of uptrend. So let's go to this. You can see clearly that overall trend of good is uptrend. Point for ChatGPT, overall trend is uptrend. So let's go back to 1 hour time frame. So don't forget, we are looking for where to buy and to sell. So if they said so if ChatGPT give us a price that overall trend before strong uptrend is big strike to 5,577. No way. No way. Like this is that what I marked out here. This is exactly what I marked out here. Let's proceed. Then sharp dump. Now price is consolidating between two clear zones. Okay, it's getting it right. Yes, between here and here, chart is what consolidating, like ranging. Okay, this now ChatGPT said key levels drawn on the chart. Major resistance $5,577, which is here. Accepted the major resistance. Current price, which is good current price, $5,016, which is the exact price when I took the screenshot somewhere here. Okay, this support zone, okay, which is here, So ChatGPT is analyzing the market based on the image I sent to the app. So extremely Extreme support 4,313. 4,313. Exactly. This is where, like, the extreme support that I indicate here, 4,313, which is right. ChatGPT is getting it. So right now, this is where you are getting serious, and ChatGPT tell us whether we are back or we are inside. This is where we are getting. So right now, we try in the middle of a range. Ooh. And we all know as a trader, anytime the market is ranging, either we wait for a breakout, not even either, we just have to wait for a breakout. Yes, we have to wait for a breakout. So at this point, if I'm to use my own technical analysis, yeah, this is another resistance level. This point, resistance level. This is another recent resistance level, which I'll be looking for, like a breakout here, a breakout from this point, come back and turn my resistance to a support. Then boom. Why? Because your trend is bullish, is uptrend. Market is ranging, and this is how it's supposed to work if market is ready to move. Based on my own technical analysis, right now we are using ChatGPT analysis, so I'm taking my own idea out. My idea is not needed at all. So let's do this. Let's proceed rather. Now, don't forget, in my request to ChatGPT, I asked that I need to know when to buy and when to sell. Now, ChatGPT is telling me that from the pure technical perspective, buying now bad location, like buying now, it's not an optional buy for now. Buying now bad location. You do be buying in the middle of the range, which is very wrong to do. When market is ranging, you just have to stay out of the market. No strong support under you. Like this point, as the recent price, no support. So why am I buying? You get risk is high, reward is unclear. Wow. In fact, that's what I once again. Risk is high, reward is unclear. If I buy from this point, I'm risking a lot. Market might come back in. Like this is like a also a resistance level. Market might give me like another top here, then come back here just to fill this space, just to fill this space, then move on like this. So now the web is not clear based on what activity is telling me. So also selling now, also bad location. Wow. In fact, activity is like giving me some points that I'm not even expecting. Like selling now, also bad location. Like share screen. I need to share screen. WhatsApp. WhatsApp. So are we back? Yes, we are back. Yes, network is fine now. Network is fine. Yeah. So let's continue. So now, right now, ChatGPT is telling us not to buy and not to sell. That this is a very high risk entry. So if you wait, this is exactly what ChatGPT is telling us. Now, moving on. Best high probability play, what to wait for. Now, ChatGPT is giving me his own full idea that as a trader, like as a pro trader, you have to wait. One, option one. So you know now this ChatGPT cannot just tell you buy or sell. So now here in option one, ChatGPT say buy best setup. Wait for price to come back to 4,590 to 4,527 zone. Now let's indicate the 4,590 zone. Oh my god, 4,590. 4,000. Exact my entry point. In fact, clap for ChatGPT once again. Clap for ChatGPT once again. A clap with when my this long position. ChatGPT said I should wait, like we should wait. Yeah, 4,590 for a buy position. This is what ChatGPT is telling us to do. We should wait. If the market will come here, then we can buy. That is on that. 4,590 to 4,527. So let's look 4,527. 4,527. 21. Exactly. So everything is telling us to buy from this point. Yes. If the market comes to this point, then you can buy. This is exact my own analysis, and this is what exactly ChatGPT is telling us to do. Now, ChatGPT said that is a strong demand, which is a strong support. That is a strong demand or a strong support. Look for a rejection or bounce. Look for a rejection, like it's telling us to look for a rejection for our entry or bounce. I can do confirmation. That is exactly what ChatGPT is telling us. Like can do confirmation. Can do confirmation. Shade grab. This is a smart buy area. So now at this point, now we need like a confirmation entry here, like either bullish engulfing candle or double bullish pin bar, like the one here. Then you can enter our buy position here. This is exactly what ChatGPT is telling us to do. And option two was best sell setup. No rush. Wait for price to go near 5,400 to 5,777. 5,400, where's 5,000? 5,400. No way. 5,450. Yo, ChatGPT is telling us that we should wait for our sale to be around there, 5,400. 5,400. 5,400. Our sale should be around here. So I need to say our sale should be around there. We didn't get 5,000. So our sale should be around here to here. 5,400 to 5,077. That is where our sales to be. Now, as a trader, you need to mark your own strong zone, like strong sell zone. Yeah, I'm not okay with this 5,400 because I think this is just a like minor this thing, minor supply zone. Yes, this is just a minor supply zone. So I'll be waiting for my sales to be around 5,577. I think this is like this is like a long profit short entry. Yeah, long profit, long profit, long profit. ChatGPT says that is heavy resistance. That is the pure and heavy resistance on good. So now we are waiting. Like we are waiting. We can wait for like a day, 2 days, 3 days for this setup to occur. We are waiting now. Previous stop, which is here. This is the previous stop. And the time says this is a smart sell area. Like you can feel it now. This is like the smart smart sell area. Here is the smart buy area and here is the smart sell area. Now, as a trader, what do you have to do? Or what do you have to say? At this point, you have to wait. If I'm to trade this pair on my own, I will wait for the market to give me something like this. Like breakout. I come back here like this, boom. Then my sell from here down here again, boom. But right now we have to respect ChatGPT analysis. Yes, this is what ChatGPT is looking for. Buy at 5,000, 4,492 dollar, while we sell at 5,577 dollar. So we're waiting for the market to move profit so we can enter our position on good. Yeah, we can place our trade on good. Yes, we can place our position on good. So that is, I think we should do ChatGPT alone today. So by tomorrow we will review the analysis that ChatGPT gives to us. Then we move on to the next app, which is Grok. Yes, the next app is Grok. So we check the next app and see what the app also can generate for us, like the information, the analysis, the breakdown that the app can generate for us. So if I'm to rate ChatGPT over 10, definitely I'll rate ChatGPT 8 over 10. Yes. Why? Because like this is a pure technical analysis, like someone that trades support and resistance. This is like what you should be waiting for. You can't be taking all these major support. No. You have to keep your chart simple and neat. Yes, just simple and neat. Let me see that I can figure out that ChatGPT didn't tell us where to draw our trend line from. Yes, we were told that due to the overall bullish trend, which is overall trend bullish, but it didn't tell us our trend line. But nevertheless, this out of 100, out of 10, ChatGPT, you scored 8 over 10. Yes, 8 over 10. I think that's nice. Like 8 over 10. Yes, that is all for today. So I'm going to check out this second AI app. Yeah, we are going to check the second AI app, which so that will make our first AI trading, like we call it like episode 1 of our AI trading. Episode 1. This is episode 1. Yes. So tomorrow we are using Grok, which will be our episode 2. Then followed by the next tomorrow we are using Claude, which is episode 3. I think that will make it easier for us to understand how to use this app to trade. Though I'm not asking people to trade with ChatGPT, but I've seen so many traders that they only trade with ChatGPT. Yes, they trade with ChatGPT and they are making money. So I was like, I need to try this. I don't want to try it backhand. So I have to bring it to life that we can try it together. So you can understand how to use it. If you choose to use ChatGPT to trade, fine. Not that this app is making you money. Fine. Like, are you getting it? Fine. But you have to manage your risk. Yes, you have to manage your risk. So, I think we have some left that now Tracy said right now, no trade zone. Like before I told us for no trade zone. This is called middle of range top. Professionals usually do nothing here. So ChatGPT proceed and tell us that right now we don't have to trade there. This is like just the middle of the trade, like the noise in the market. This is just like the noise in the market. So we don't have to trade there. So ChatGPT said the market is asking, are you patient or are you gambling? At this point, the market is asking, are you waiting for me to move or are you ready to gamble your money with me? So this is what the market is telling us right now. Are you ready to wait for me to give you the right setup or you are ready to risk your money? Like the whole of your capital, are you ready to risk it with me? This is what the market is telling us right here. So right now, the simple rules that ChatGPT give us tonight is middle of the range is equal to weight, which means when the market is ranging, during the range market, we have to wait. At support, we buy. At resistance, we sell. At support, we buy. At resistance, we sell. This is the three simple rules ChatGPT is giving us tonight. At the end of the trade, ChatGPT said, in the middle of the range, we wait. Wow, I never thought ChatGPT could break the whole things down like this. In the middle of the range, we wait. At the support, we buy. At the resistance, we do what? We sell. Wow. Let's clap for ChatGPT again. Wow. That is cool. So, oh, let's check. So at this point, ChatGPT said best option for us is no trade than to wait. No trade and to wait. So right now we are waiting. Tomorrow we come back, we check out previous analysis that ChatGPT gave us, then move on to the next AI app. So that is the end of today's trading the forex market with AI. This is the end of the live stream. So maybe probably tomorrow we check Grok, then after tomorrow we check Claude. So this is how we are moving in small. So thanks for watching. Thank you all for watching. See you guys tomorrow 8 p.m. See you guys tomorrow 8 p.m. Yes, thank you for watching. See you guys tomorrow 8 p.m. Bye. Bye bye for now.